friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Michaela, and I know it's been a hot minute since I have made a video for you guys, but I recently just got back from Charleston, South Carolina, and I went to a couple designer stores, and I actually got a couple of things at Gucci. I first went in Louis Vuitton and tried on a couple of bags, and honestly, for the price that Louis Vuittons are now, none of them actually screamed at me and said buy me. So I went in Gucci, and of course everyone knows Gucci is a lower price point for designer items, and I found 2 items in there, and I'm only going to be showing you one of those today, and I will show you the next one another time. But to start out this video, I love Gucci's packaging, and their bows are so classy. Okay, so let's unbox this. So before we get to unboxing this Gucci item, please let me know down in the comments if you think this is a bag or shoes. Also, I'll give you a minute to please subscribe to my channel if you like designer item reviews. I do quite a bit of them throughout the year, and I also post some Amazon hauls and a lot of shopping hauls. So please subscribe and like this video and share it with your designer loving friends. So let's get into the unboxing. And I had these shipped from Charleston because my luggage was full. So they arrived the minute I got out of the Uber, so it was perfect timing. If you guessed shoes, you're right. Now, this specific shoe has been pretty trendy in the last couple of years, and honestly, I didn't expect to buy this one, but these are so comfortable and so cute, and at the price point they were, I had to pick these up. It is this Gucci platform slide. And these were so comfortable when I put them on, and I knew that I would wear these with a lot of outfits. So I picked these over one of the footbed sandals that I tried on that were like a brown leather and raffia material that kind of looked like a dad sandal. I chose these because I just knew I would wear these more. And these feel so quality. The material is super thick and nice feeling, and it does have like, it kind of has a footbed vibe. Like the sides kind of come up so your foot fits in there perfectly, and they're so comfortable. Now, I'm not gonna lie, they're on the heavier side because they're a platform, so that's to be expected, but I got the size 39.5 in Gucci. And for size reference, I'm normally a 9.5 US size, 9.5. So these 39.5s fit perfectly. This is only my second pair of designer shoes, so I wasn't sure what size to get in Gucci because my first pair were Chanel, and I will tag that video right here if you want to go check that one out. But those were a size 41, so apparently Chanel runs very small, and Gucci is more realistically sized, I guess, to US. And it says they're made in Italy, so I don't know, I guess Gucci just caters more to the US market, I'm not sure. I love that they have the Gucci logo on the bottom, so when you're in sand at the beach, you're gonna see the logo. That's really cool. For some reason, I've really been gravitating towards shoes a lot more than handbags in the designer stores. And I actually meant to go check out the Gucci bags, but somehow I was so distracted by the accessories and the shoes that I didn't make my way over there. So next time I'm in Charleston, I'm definitely gonna go check out and see what bags they have, because there's a specific bag that I'm looking for and I'm not even sure if they have it. I might have to buy it resale, but we'll see. And of course, Gucci also comes with the dust bags for each shoe, just like my Chanel ones did. I love that. It's great to keep the dust off of a cloth shoe, because dust does not come off of cloth shoes very easily, so I really like that. And honestly, there's not much I can say about these. They're just a good quality sandal that I'm gonna wear for years to come. And I never see myself reselling any of my designer shoes, just because I like to get good wear out of them. And I usually never resell shoes because I wear them out. But thank you so much to my hubby for getting these for me for our 10th year wedding anniversary. I'm so grateful and thankful, and I love these so much. So if you're looking for a designer shoe or sandal, I highly recommend Gucci. They have a lot of options for a very good price point. And honestly, all the ones I tried on were so comfortable, and I don't find that a lot with Chanel or like Christian Louboutins. Like, you just don't find, you're not really looking for comfort in a designer shoe, honestly. Like, you're looking for, you know, the look. So I highly recommend Gucci, and thank you so much to my sales associate in Charleston. I love these, and thank you so much for shipping them so timely. Like, I can't believe, like, I was so worried the whole time that they were gonna get here before I got here, but luckily it was signature, FedEx signature, so I was able to sign for them, and if I wasn't here, they wouldn't have just left them on the doorstep. But it was so timely and it worked out perfect. I assume it was a coincidence, but that is just perfect timing, and I love these so much. And thank you guys for coming to watch and check them out. And if you're looking for the Gucci slides, these actually weren't on display in the store. I asked about them to see if they had them, and they did in the back. So if you don't see these in store, please ask about them. They most likely have some in the back. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next Gucci unboxing. Love you so much. See you soon.